Dreams into reality, Dubai's ultimate bedroom transformation. Ever walked into your bedroom after a long Dubai workday and felt something was missing? In a city that never sleeps, your bedroom should be your personal retreat, a space that helps you truly unwind and recharge. At Renovation X, we understand that a bedroom isn't just a room with a bed, it's your sanctuary in this bustling city. We've helped hundreds of Dubai residents transform their ordinary bedrooms into luxurious havens of tranquility. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how we can turn your bedroom into a sophisticated space where every detail whispers comfort and style. Get ready to discover how the perfect bedroom renovation can revolutionize your daily life. Your bedroom's hidden potential, what's missing? At Renovation X, we meet Dubai residents every day who share common bedroom challenges. You might recognize these: wardrobes that can't keep up with your growing collection, lighting that doesn't adapt to your different daily needs, and layouts that make your bedroom feel smaller than it actually is. In a city as dynamic as Dubai, where your home is your ultimate retreat, these aren't just minor inconveniences. Our experience shows that most Dubai bedrooms aren't optimized for the lifestyle you deserve. Outdated designs waste valuable space, poor acoustics let in city noise, and inefficient storage solutions create daily stress. But here's what's exciting: these common problems are exactly what Renovation X specializes in solving. With our deep understanding of Dubai's unique living standards and lifestyle needs, we've developed solutions that don't just fix these issues, they transform your entire bedroom experience. The Renovation X Touch, where luxury meets comfort. Let's explore how Renovation X brings your dream bedroom to life. Our approach combines Dubai's luxury standards with smart, practical solutions that make every square foot count. We don't just change how your bedroom looks, we elevate how it makes you feel. Picture this: custom-designed wardrobes that maximize every inch of space, with intelligent internal systems that make organization effortless. Our lighting solutions create different moods at the touch of a button, from bright morning light to soft, relaxing evening ambience. We understand that in Dubai's climate, the right materials make all the difference, which is why we use premium, temperature-regulating materials for your comfort. What sets our bedroom designs apart is our attention to acoustics and airflow. Using advanced materials and construction techniques, we create a peaceful environment that shields you from the city's buzz. Every element, from the placement of your bed to the selection of wall treatments, is carefully considered to enhance your relaxation. Our designs incorporate hidden storage solutions that keep your space clutter-free while maintaining the elegant aesthetic that Dubai homes are known for. Whether you prefer contemporary minimalism or timeless luxury, we tailor every detail to match your personal style. Your perfect sleep sanctuary. At Renovation X, we've mastered a seamless renovation journey that brings your bedroom vision to life. It starts with our signature complimentary consultation, where our design experts take the time to understand not just your style preferences, but your daily routines and lifestyle needs. This personalized approach ensures that every renovation perfectly aligns with your way of life. Then comes the exciting transformation phase, our advanced 3D visualization service. Using state-of-the-art technology, we create a virtual walkthrough of your future bedroom. You'll see exactly how different lighting plays across your space, how your new storage solutions work, and how every design element comes together, all before we begin construction. The material selection process is where your dream starts becoming reality. In our Dubai showroom, you can experience our premium materials firsthand, from luxurious wallpapers to designer lighting fixtures. Our consultants guide you through each selection, ensuring every choice enhances both comfort and style. When it comes to installation, our certified team works with precision and care. We understand that your bedroom is a personal space, and our experienced craftsmen treat it with the utmost respect. Our project managers oversee every detail, ensuring your renovation stays on schedule while meeting our exceptional quality standards. Each step is carefully coordinated to minimize disruption to your daily life. The art of bedroom excellence. What makes a Renovation X bedroom transformation truly exceptional? It's our commitment to combining luxury with functionality in ways that perfectly suit Dubai's unique lifestyle. Our designs don't just meet Dubai municipality standards, they exceed them, ensuring your renovation stands the test of time. We bring you exclusive materials and features that you won't find elsewhere. Our sound-dampening wall systems create a peaceful haven in the heart of the city. Our custom wardrobes feature innovative storage solutions imported directly from Europe's leading manufacturers. Think silent closing drawers, automated lighting, and climate-controlled sections for your designer pieces. Every Renovation X bedroom features our signature smart integration system. Control your lighting, temperature, and window treatments with a single touch. Our designs incorporate hidden charging stations and cable management solutions that keep your space clean and clutter-free while maintaining full functionality. The true luxury lies in the details, from our premium air filtration systems that ensure you breathe the cleanest air while you sleep, to our carefully selected materials that maintain optimal room temperature despite Dubai's climate. Our team of certified specialists ensures every feature is perfectly installed and calibrated for your comfort. Living the renovated life. Investing in a Renovation X bedroom transformation isn't just about creating a beautiful space, it's about enhancing your entire lifestyle. Our clients consistently report not just an increase in their property's value, but a remarkable improvement in their quality of life. In Dubai's fast-paced environment, the value of perfect sleep and true relaxation cannot be overstated. Picture waking up in a room where every detail works in harmony to start your day right. The morning sun filters perfectly through custom blinds, your clothes are organized exactly how you need them, and the atmosphere is perfectly balanced. This isn't just luxury, it's about making every day better. Our clients tell us how their renovated bedrooms have transformed their daily routines. Busy executives now enjoy better sleep quality, families have created perfect spaces for their children, and property investors have seen significant returns on their investment. These aren't just renovations, they're life improvements. The real value comes in the form of lasting benefits, reduced stress levels, improved sleep patterns, and a personal sanctuary that helps you recharge every day. When you choose Renovation X, you're not just getting a bedroom upgrade, you're investing in your well-being in the heart of Dubai. Limited time luxury offers. Your perfect bedroom sanctuary is just one decision away. Right now, Renovation X is offering an exclusive package for Dubai residents. Book your free consultation and receive a complimentary 3D design visualization worth AED 3,000. Plus, enjoy special early bird discounts on our premium bedroom packages. Experience luxury firsthand at our showroom in Al Quoz 4, Dubai, where you can explore our latest bedroom designs and premium materials. Our expert design team is ready to start your transformation journey. Contact us now at 0488 28933 or visit renovationx.ae to secure your free consultation. Want more inspiration? Follow our transformation stories on Instagram and Facebook at RenovationX. Join our community of satisfied clients who wake up refreshed in their Renovation X bedrooms every day. Take the first step towards better living. Book your consultation today and let Renovation X transform your bedroom into the sanctuary you deserve. Because in Dubai, luxury isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating spaces that enhance your life. Special Ramadan offer: book now and receive free LED mood lighting system, complimentary bedside charging stations, extended 5-year warranty, flexible payment plans available. Don't wait, your dream bedroom awaits. Contact Renovation X today, where luxury meets tranquility.